Hello and welcome to the cottage of chaos and mayhem. The kids are the chaos, the rest is just mayhem. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to do a foundation double crochet. So for today's tutorial, you're just going to want some yarn and a hook. I'm using a 4.5mm hook just for the purposes of this tutorial. So let's get started, shall we? We're going to start by doing a slip knot. And we are going to chain 2. Like so. So what we're going to do is we're going to yarn over, we're going to insert our hook into the first chain that we made, so the second chain from our hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through so that we have 3 loops on our hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through 1 loop, because this is going to be the bottom of our stitch and this is the side. We're going to yarn over and pull through 2 loops and yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops, and that creates our double crochet. So what we're going to do next is we're going to yarn over, we're going to turn our work so that we can see the bottom. We're going to insert our hook into both loops in the bottom. I'm going to yarn over and pull through. This gives us 3 loops on our hook again. So we're going to yarn over and pull through 1 loop, and that creates the next step of our bottom. I'm going to yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and this gives us our double crochet. So again, we're going to yarn over, flip our work so to speak, so that we are inserting into the very bottom, because this is slowly creating a chain. Insert our hook, yarn over and pull through. We have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through 1. Now you can see you've now got another chain space, so to speak. So that's the bottom. So now we need to do our double crochet. So yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, like so. And again, we're going to yarn over, we're going to insert our hook into the bottom 2 loops, yarn over and pull through, so that we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through 1 loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 more loops. One more time, yarn over, insert our hook into the bottom 2 loops, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through 1 loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. So there you can see this is our foundation chain double crochet. This is the bottom here, which sort of looks like you've chained when you haven't, and this is the side over here. So it's quite simple and quite easy. You can just keep going until you have as many double crochet as you need. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe, because I release a crochet tutorial every Wednesday, varying from foundation stitches to more complex designs, heritage patterns, you name it. I also have my series I Made It So You Don't Have To, where I review Temu crochet kits and pull my hair out in the process. So you can go and check that out. And I also have other tutorials coming now in various different crafts, because I love crafting and I love sharing my knowledge with you guys. So I hope to see you in each of them. Have a lovely day. Bye.